Unlock seamless international money transfers across Europe with the power of Wise. Are you tired of hefty fees and unpredictable exchange rates when sending or receiving money within Europe? Today, we're diving deep into how Wise, formerly TransferWise, revolutionizes these transactions, making your financial life in Europe so much simpler. First things first, sign up for a Wise account. It's a quick and easy process. Just head to the Wise website or download their app. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open a new transfer here. You'll select the currencies you're sending from and receiving into, whether it's euros to pounds, Swedish krona to dollars. Wise supports a vast array of currencies common in Europe. Now, enter the amount you wish to send. This is where Wise truly shines. You'll see the real mid-market exchange rate, Y Euro, the one you see on Google, or Reuters Y Euro displayed crystal clear. Along with a small upfront fee, no hidden surprises, no markups. Next, you'll need to add your recipient's bank details for transfers within Europe. This usually means their IBAN and SWIFT BIC code. Wise makes this straightforward. And you can even save recipient details for future transfers, saving you time. Finally, you'll choose how to pay. Wise offers various options, including bank transfers, debit cards, and even instant US OC payments. Select the method that's most convenient for you. Confirm your transfer, and you're done. Wise will process your payment using local bank networks, which significantly cuts down on fees and speeds up the transfer time compared to traditional banks. You can track your transfer's progress every step of the way directly within the app. Wise isn't just for sending money. You can also receive payments with your own European bank details, perfect for freelancers or businesses. Plus, their multi-currency account allows you to hold, exchange, and spend in multiple currencies with ease. Embrace the future of international finance in Europe. Y Euro, embrace Wise.